Hello everyone, I am A. Victoria Anand Mary, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Computer Science, St.Joseph College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Cuddalore. In this presentation, we will see the most important topic, that is control structure. It will be having decision making, looping and case control statements in it. Control structures. Control structures are just a way to specify flow of control in the C program. It basically analyzes and chooses in which direction a program flows based on certain parameters or the condition which is provided by the programmer. There are three basic types of flow of controls: sequential flow, conditional flow and repetitive flow. Sequential flow. Sequential logic, as the name suggests, follow a series or sequential flow in which the flow depends on series of instruction. That is, all the instruction will be executed in a sequential manner. That is, one by one each statements will be executed in the C program. As illustrated in the diagram, module A will be executed, then module B followed by module C. That is, it will be executed in a sequential manner. Conditional flow. Here it involves a number of conditions or parameters which decides the flow of control of a program. That is, based on the condition, we are going to decide which statement to be executed. That is, if the condition is true, module A will be executed. If the condition becomes false, then module B will be executed. Repetitive flow. Its logic employs a loop which involves a repeated statement followed by a module, known as the body of the loop. That is, we are going to repeat a module until the condition is true. Otherwise, the module will not be executed. Decision making. In decision making control statements, group of statements are executed when the condition is true. If the condition is false, then else part statements are executed. There are three types of decision making control statements in C language. They are if statement, if else statement and nested if else statement. If statement. If the syntax for if is if followed by condition, that will be given in a parenthesis, inside the parenthesis, and it will be inside the block, it will be having the statements. In these type of statements, if the condition is true, then its respective block of code is executed. If else statement. In this syntax, we will be having the condition and will be having statements followed by a list of statements, that is statement 1 and 2. In the else part, we are having statement 3 and 4. That is, if the condition is true, statement 1 and 2 will be executed. Otherwise, statement 3 and 4 will be executed. Nested if else statement. If is followed by condition 1. That is, if the condition is true, statement 1 will be executed. Otherwise, we are going to check with another condition, that is condition 2. If this particular condition is going to be true, then statement 2 will be executed. If both the condition 1 and 2 is going to be false, then statement 3 will be executed. Looping control statement in C are used to perform looping operation, that is recursive operation, until the given condition is true. Control comes out of the loop statement once the condition becomes false. There are three types of loop control statement in C language. They are for, while, do while. For statement. For inside the parenthesis will be having expression 1 semicolon, expression 2 semicolon, expression 3, and inside the block will be having statements. Where expression 1 is variable initialization, we are going to initialize the variables, and in expression 2 we will be having the condition that will be checked, and in expression 3 the increment or decrement operation will be carried out. Do while statement. The statement will be executed, then we are going to check with the condition that is provided in while. For example, if we are having a condition a greater than 5, it will be checked only after the execution of the statements. While statement. While inside the bracket will be having the condition, and based on the condition, only if the condition is true, the statements are going to be executed. Case control statements. There are four types of case control statements in C language. They are switch, break, continue and go to. In switch case statement, these statements are used to execute only specific case statements based on the switch expression. That is, the expression whichever we are giving, based on its expression we are going to execute its corresponding case statements. Break statement is used to terminate the while loop, switch case loops and for loops from the subsequent execution. That is, break statement will help us to terminate from any of the loop. Continue statement is used to continue the next iteration of the for loop, while loop and do while loop. So the remaining statements are skipped within the loop for the particular iteration. Go to statement is used to transfer the flow of program to the specified label in the program. That is, we will be giving the label here, and according to the label the set of statements are going to be executed. Thank you.